Hello and welcome to another episode of Howlers Garage. I just want to say a huge thanks to everyone that's watched the videos. I'm really happy with how it's going in the channel and all the new subscribers. In today's video we're going to be putting this mini spool in the AU. Yeah, it's going to be fun. I just want to say another huge shout out to the sponsor, my mum and dad, that bought me this microphone. It means you guys can hear me 10 times better. Without any further ado, let's crack into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, we're going to jack the car up and we're going to drain the diff and we'll pull it out. Just going to give the car a little bit of a rock just to make sure it's not going to try and kill me too badly. Seems like it's alright. What we're going to do is pull this bottom nut out, drain the oil out of it, pull this whole housing off. Now we have the screwdriver and the hammer and we'll just pry it off like that. That did not go to plan. Now all we've really got to do, I think, is pull the axles out. So the axles that go into here, to the into the middle. Pull the axles out, and then 4 bolts here, and then I think the center should just come out, I think. It's out. All right, now we have the axles out. We're gonna pull the center out, and then we're gonna split the center and put our mini spool in. This is so cool. All we need to do is pull these 4 bolts out. There we go. So a little bit of prying, just pop right out. There we go. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Let's go and have a look at it. Okay guys, now we've got the diff out. We're gonna pull the main sprocket off and we're gonna pull the little pins out. See if we have the right tools for the pins. We might have to go for a little drive and get some tools. And then we'll try and put the mini spool in. Righty, loosey, lefty, tighty. Don't make the same mistake I did. You do them up to undo them. Alright guys, we just finished work. We're in the backup vehicle today, the Padgy. Good on Padgy. Because the utes at home up on stands with the diff out. So we're going to go and get the punch kit and to finish off the install. Let's crack to it. Alright guys, we're going to take our punch and we're going to take our hammer and we're just going to punch these little pins out. There we go. We have our pins out and we can open it up. Basically, a shim, 1 spider gear. Now I think we have to hit these pins out somehow. And we have arrived at the point in the video where the fun ended and the trials began. The seized pin took 2 days to come out. 2 days of hardship, pain and agony. 2 days of frustration. 2 days to release the open diff life and to embrace fully locked diff life and skids. At the lowest minute, at the darkest hour, we resorted to the grinder. Oh my god, the single hardest thing of my life. Oh, it was this one pin that I just would not come out. I used the railroad hammer, bashing the living daylights out of it until everything was ruined. All my tools are ruined, my hands are ruined, everything's ruined to get this pin out. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now that all of this crap is going to be replaced by this magnificent thing, and it's going to go in here. We're back on track now. Let's get this in, press these in, press the bearings in, press the pins in, and we'll be done. Oh my God, do not do this if you're ever wondering to do it. I have these gears out. I don't know if I've hit it so much with a hammer that it's ruined forever. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. All right, I think this press is useless for this. I know, works really well. Done. Thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, I cannot tell you how much of a pain in the ass that was. I can't even. I've been wanting to say these words for 3 days. The diff is back together and I'm gonna put it back in the car. One point I never thought I'd say those words. And now through the magic of editing, it's back in. And there you have it. Our mini spool is back in and it seems to spin. Let's get the axles back in. Oh, I so hope this works. So on a scale of 1 to 10, and I'm a pretty mechanical person and I run a fair bit of stuff, this was a big job. This was 3 afternoons, you know, a hospital trip, you know, like this is a big job. All right, try 2. We actually have the brakes on this time. So let's lower it down and see how locked it is. Hopefully mega locked, otherwise I'm giving up YouTube and giving up working on cars. We have our locked Falcon. Now's where we find out when it doesn't move. Chap, 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 chap. Woo! We have locked diff. This is open diff life, guys, and it is going in the bin. Didn't go in the bin. They didn't get enough of it get in the bin. We are mini spooled in the AU. This is sick. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been an epic video. I'll roll some clips now, just like driving on the street. But yeah, she's locked. You can see the tyre marks from skipping around. And I am one happy chappy, but trust me, it was not a fun job. Sorry for not filming some of it, but oh, it was like, yep. I filmed as much as I could while staying sane. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Slow corner like this, gonna notice it. To go sideways. Yes. You can just hear Jack saying, "Stop bitching about your finger." And get on with the video.